Oh, that's bad. Third or fourth. Ow. Fuck. Third or fourth day prior to surgery. Swollen as a bitch. Got an ice pack. We're still gonna go riding. I don't give a fuck. But let's cut straight through it. Actually, before that, there's a giveaway at 1,000 subs. So y'all better make sure you subscribe right now. Go down and subscribe. I mean, come on, it don't take that much time. Subscribe right now and turn on notifications so you know when the next banger releases. And make sure you send this video. If you enjoy it, send it to all your friends and family, so you know maybe they can win the giveaway too. You never know. Ramsey, the gas is off. You're so stupid. Let me see it. Let me see it. Oh, he got stung by a yellow jacket while riding the bike. He said, "Oh."
Let me ride again. Let me ride again. Let me ride again.
Why do you still want to ride?
Imagine, dude. Imagine that was like an actual thing. You was riding dirt bikes and those yellow jackets that sting you. That needs to be an actual race. Because you like get off the bike and you're like, ooh, and you gotta get back on the bike.
Where are you going? Give me my dirt bike back! Y'all see that?
Nope.
Ramsey, let's. Can we go?
Why are you recording
Can
me?
we go up? This is rough because okay. It's about to rain. It's pretty dark. I have 1 foot peg, and I'm going out here by myself because my little brother didn't want to. So let's do it. And I think I'm getting attacked by a yellow jacket right now. I think I'm getting attacked by a yellow jacket right now. Hell yeah, I am. Hi. How's it going? Good. That's good. So do we want to go back through that way? Let's go to the top. Oops. We'll put her in second. Yeah, I did. Oh shit. I thought I put it in neutral by accident, but no, I was in second already. Pretty. Oh, okay, hold on. My bike is smelling a little warm. Now we're up here. Okay, let's take a break. Let's take a breather. Everybody, let's just acknowledge the fact that we're up here and it's pretty as hell. Wow. Wow. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow. Whew. Hell yeah, I got ticks all over me. Fuck. Alright, well I'm gonna be digging ticks off of me for a good while after this video. Alright, let's get moving. I don't like sitting in the same spot for too long. Boy right there. Okay, I was making sure my tires were flat. That feeling kind of funky. Woo! Oh. Oh God.
That was fun. I want to go do that again. Oh. Okay. Let's calm down. What if I just blew my bike up? Like, that's what I'm kind of afraid of right now, because that did not sound good. So I'm gonna just roll her a little ways. Let's chill for a second. Trying to see if that was a cop way down there, but I don't think it is. So I can keep going down that way and try to find Wittens, or I go up there and find my own trail. It's a hard decision, but I really don't want to fuck my bike up. It's not sounding good. And then yet again, this bike is really not meant for, actually yeah, it is, it's meant control. Fuck, oh fuck, bees! Oh, loads of bees, loads of bees, loads of bees. Oh, fuck. Now we're on the trail, kind of. Let's just hit everything, Evan. Whoa! Why do I feel like I'm gonna blow up my bike? No. Why did I just want to get out through the thorns? This way. Those thorns will 100% pop my tire. I think Wittens goes farther back that way. That's a fucking house. Let's go through here and we'll go back. We'll make it a short one. Whoa. More briars. Let's pick those away. Pick those away. Please and thank you. Here I go. Let's get out of this jungle. I don't like how that guy's staring at me. I said we did. That was fun, y'all. We're home, baby. God! Damn, she held up pretty good. Okay. I got a foot peg on this side, and this other side I don't have a foot peg, so it's kind of weird to lean both feet and do that. But I could try. I'll just run him back and look. What did you get? that didn't feel good. Yeah, I'm alright. Hey, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe. I hope y'all enjoy. Thank you.
Hi baby, we are going to bed and you are calling me, so I'm gonna answer you. I love you.